Indo-Pol presence. Enchanting Seas, a journey into the world of beautiful sea life. A cozy living room with large windows overlooking the vast ocean. Books on marine life and a scuba diving gear are neatly arranged on a shelf. In a world beneath the waves, a magical realm of color and wonder awaits. Welcome to Enchanting Seas, a journey into the world of beautiful sea life. Divers, carrying cameras and diving equipment, descend into the crystal clear waters. Sun rays penetrate the surface, casting a mesmerizing glow below. Vibrant coral reefs teeming with life, showcasing an array of shapes and colors. Clownfish playfully dart in and out of anemones, while vibrant parrotfish nibble on coral. These delicate ecosystems support a diverse range of life, each playing a vital role in maintaining the balance. Tall kelp sways gently with the ocean currents, providing shelter for an abundance of marine creatures. Sea otters float among the towering strands, cracking open shells with their nimble paws. Here, sea otters, seahorses, and countless other creatures find refuge amidst the towering plants. A majestic pod of dolphins gracefully swims through the vast open ocean. Their sleek bodies glide effortlessly, as if dancing to an invisible symphony. Dolphins, whales, and sharks traverse these waters, showcasing the raw power and elegance of marine life. Bioluminescent creatures illuminate the dark depths of the sea, creating a surreal spectacle. Anglerfish dangle their glowing lures, while jellyfish pulsate with otherworldly radiance. Bioluminescent wonders light up the darkness, painting an ethereal canvas of life. A sea turtle hatchery, bustling with activity as tiny hatchlings emerge from their nests. Guided by instinct, they embark on a perilous journey towards the ocean. These ancient creatures teach us about resilience and the importance of protecting their fragile habitats. Divers, in awe of the breathtaking sights, share smiles and gestures of wonder. They capture the beauty of sea life through their lenses, immortalizing these moments. Through exploration and conservation, we can preserve this extraordinary world for generations to come. A breathtaking view of a lush green forest with sunlight streaming through the trees. In a world filled with wonder and awe, nature stands as the ultimate masterpiece. From towering mountains to serene lakes, nature captivates our senses and rejuvenates our souls. Cut to a wide shot of a cascading waterfall surrounded by vibrant flowers. Behold the majestic waterfall, where the force of water creates a symphony of sound and a dance of cascading beauty. It reminds us of nature's raw power and eternal grace. Transition to a time-lapse sequence of colorful flowers blooming and butterflies fluttering around them. Nature is an artist, painting the landscape with an array of colors. Flowers bloom, displaying their vibrant petals, while delicate butterflies gracefully dance from one blossom to another. Cut to a panoramic view of a tranquil beach with crystal clear turquoise waters and a gentle breeze. The soothing embrace of a beach reveals the harmony between land and sea. The rhythmic waves crashing against the shore, the soft sand beneath our feet, and the vast expanse of the ocean invite us to find solace in its serenity. Transition to a time-lapse sequence of changing seasons, with trees showcasing the vibrant colors of autumn and snow blanketing the landscape. Seasons change, and nature effortlessly adapts, revealing its ever-changing beauty. The fiery hues of autumn leaves give way to the tranquility of winter's embrace, as nature prepares for renewal. Cut to a close-up shot of a delicate spider's web glistening with morning dew. Even in the smallest of details, nature astounds us. A spider's web, intricately woven with precision, captures the sparkle of morning dew, reminding us of the delicate balance that exists in every corner of our natural world. Transition to a time-lapse sequence of stars twinkling in the night sky. As daylight fades, nature unveils its celestial canvas. Millions of stars twinkle in the vast expanse of the night sky, reminding us of the boundless wonders that lie beyond our reach. Closing shot, a panoramic view of a breathtaking sunset over a mountain range. Nature's beauty knows no bounds. It invites us to explore, appreciate, and protect the remarkable world we call home. Let us embrace the splendor of nature and cherish the gifts it bestows upon us. Remember, in the grand tapestry of life, nature is an extraordinary thread that connects us all. Let us celebrate and preserve its magnificence for generations to come.